Okay, so as far as what we're looking for tomorrow, um, on the 4 hour here, price made a high, a low, failed to break this low to make a new one. And then we got a high up here. Also, we closed above, just delete this, closed above this 4 hour resistance. Yeah, resistance, and made support at 59.15. Um, Overall, I'm still, what do you call it? Bullish on ES. Still holding the trend up here. Everything still looks good to me. As far as what we're looking for tomorrow, I can go for a bounce rejection off this support on the 4 hours. Like I said, that's going to be at 59.15. Depending where we're at by market open, I could look for a break and retest of these highs right here, and that's going to be at 59.24. And so, like a nice rejection retest, take it here for TP1, TP2, and the whole overall move right here. If we so happen, I wouldn't really be interested in shorts. I mean, I would take a possibly break of the lows right here, but I would want to see a retest before taking it down. And from there, I mean, I guess if we break this right here, that would change the whole trend. Would have a break of structure right here in this area if it closes. From then, if I miss that move, I'll just look for the same thing down here, a nice break and retest, or I'll take this break of the low setup right here, um, right here, and then we'll take it down into this 1 hour level we have at 58.54. But like I said, I'm still overall bullish on ES. Like I said, if we break structure on that 1 hour, that's going to be other signs to get in and participate on those plays right here. The daily rejected its daily support right here and closed back up above this 4 hour key level. Like I said, at 59.15. Um, and we did have all this bearish volume right here, but it still ended with a rejection on Friday to that same daily level. So, see, pushes back up. I mean, I'm gonna trade what I see. I'm not gonna marry no bias. So yeah, that's it for ES. I'm gonna go over NQ in a second. I'll catch y'all on the next one. All right, bet. So now we're looking at NQ. Kind of the same situation here. Like I said, we made this low, and we came made a high. Failed to make a newer low and break this daily zone at 204.85, and from there we made a new high. Um, so I mean, I would like to see it keep structure right here at this 1 hour at 205.90 and take it to the 4 hour at 206.72. Um, but if we just keep pushing up and don't retest this area, then simply just look for a break and a retest of that same zone to take up in here. I mean, you got targets right here. I'm sure there's some structure right here on the lower time frames. Um, go to the 1 hour. We made a lower high, then a low, but then make a new low to keep that trend going, and then we made a new high on top of that. We're also holding this as pretty good resistance, so that's a decent sign. I mean, looking for a break and retest or a break at the high. You could even let me mark this off right here for tomorrow. It's going to be a 15-minute level. Like I said, most of the break at the high and break at the low setups end up just being a 15-minute key area, which I like. It's not every time, but most of the time. So, I mean, we could wait for a break and retest. We could wait for like I said, break and retest, take into here. If we break that, keep pushing. Let me see. If you miss that, wait for the retest to take up. Um, you got a TP target right here. So if you get in at the bottom right here at the 4 hour at 672, take to right here. If we break that, then we could see this area at 807. If we break that, then we might as well hold to this high. And I guess from there we could take the full overall, uh, take profit to 874. What would interest me in shorts is if, let me delete this, is if we break this structure right here, break structure right there, have some nice volume coming down. And I honestly would look for, I wouldn't just take a breakout of this daily 485. I want to see a break, establish it as resistance, few rejections, retest it, and we'll take it down. And if we break this low, then we'll take down to the 4 hour for the overall target. But now let's say if I miss this play up here, then like I said earlier, these 15-minute, this happened to be a 1 hour support, but I mean, it still plays out for what I'm looking for, a break of the lows, and I'll retest it and then take it down for a quick scalp. And just, I mean, I'm not expecting it, but just being prepared for it. I mean, we come down here, do the same thing, and you got a TP right here at those lows, TP right there. You got a TP right here, and the overall move right there. So that's all I'm gonna be looking for tomorrow. Um, we do have data coming out on, let's see, First Factory. I believe it's Thursday. No, yeah, Thursday. We have unemployment at 8:30, and then on Friday at 9:45 we have flash PMI. So I'll be doing my first trade on my live 100K account with Top Step. I just passed the challenge today. So, yep, that's gonna be it for this, and we'll see y'all for the next breakdown. Adios.